We have our new boat. Today is the first day. It's a Bayliner Element, 16 foot. It's got a 75 horse outboard on it. Took it out for its first spin today, and the sexy truck in the background. And it's a nice day on the water. It's smooth, no one's out there. Like I said, E16 Bayliner Element. Need to get a spare tire for it, but we got a black Bimini to match, which is currently down. We're about to go home. 75 horse Mercury. We got a wakeboard pole, ski pole, and we're gonna put some wakeboards on it. And I had to buy a transom saver in here today, and it's got your basic straps, 4-blade prop. It is awesome. I love it. It's very basic and simplistic. Nice one big gauge. It's got brown, which is called sand interior. It's got a huge area in the back to lay down. Pods in the middle. Plenty of cup holders. So we took it out for the first spin. It was awesome. It goes plenty fast. We have to do a break-in on the next 10 hours. And then we can drive it however we want. So right now it's on throttle, off throttle for certain minutes, so it's kind of boring, but it's definitely nice to relax. It's a leisure boat, but hopefully we can have a lot of fun with it. So it's the first time I've ever had an outboard. For now, here's some footage of the lake. Alrighty, we are home now. Sun is out still. It's amazing. 55, tons of golfers. The greens are actually starting to get green. I don't know if you can see them over there, but they have sprayed that liquid fertilizer or whatever it is, maybe liquid grass seed, I don't know. But it's all starting to turn green, starting to get pretty. We finally got our fence up. Super freaking pumped about it. I'll show it to you real quick. There's the main side. 250 feet worth of fence, and we had to get some dirt yesterday. So here is the inside of the fence. We got tons of room, and we actually have more yard behind the back of the fence, and you see that pile of dirt there. I got 1 yard of dirt in my truck. Thought I could fit 2, and she put 2 tractor scoops of dirt in my truck, squatted it. We can walk through, and I'll show you the double drive-through gate we got. But of course, Lexi's trampoline. And then we walk around this side of the house, and we have a double drive-through gate, and my truck will fit through it, and a normal trailer will fit through it. So we got the walk-through gate, drive-through gate, plenty of room. I need to get a bobcat in here, smooth it all out, maybe a dump truck load of dirt, and but overall it looks freaking awesome. We didn't want Belly to get out. That was our main concern. So we bought that dirt and we filled in these areas so she couldn't get under the fence. We don't leave her out here, so it's not like she's going to like dig under, because we're always around her. So hopefully the wind, you can hear me. I know you can't see me very well, the sun's behind me, but like I said, truck, boat here, driveway sucked to back the boat in, but we got to get it put in here. So hopefully I can round this corner just like I did with the old jet skis, and hopefully it'll fit, so we'll see. It is big, a lot bigger than jet skis. I didn't think it was, and it's not any wider than the jet skis because it backed in the garage identical, but lengthwise it's really really tight. I'll show you. If you see some of this, ignore it. I have a ton of organizing to do because everything that was over there isn't anymore. So look how close that is. That is super close. Now let me show you the back. So, oh my gosh, it's so close. We're gonna have to do something.